Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, you'll be seeing lots and lots of beautiful Ankara maxi skirt styles that you can rock as that classy and elegant lady that you are. Feel free to share with me in the comment section what you think about this Ankara maxi skirts. Do you love to rock Ankara maxi skirts? Share with me and I'll be glad to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see this amazing styles collection. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestige Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you would love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you in another beautiful and exciting one on the same channel. Remember to always stay glued to the channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe always. Bye.